What's up, everybody? I am working on my C3 headlights currently. I'm at that point in the restoration process. So, yeah, these do not look very good. They're nasty, rusty, and just overall need to be rebuilt. I bought a whole kit from Classic Industries earlier today, so when that comes in, I'll finalize everything. But so far, I've just been sandblasting and then wire wheeling everything to get it down to this kind of finish, which I love. I should probably just clear over it because I think that would look sick on all these parts. But well, we'll get them back to black so it'll kind of all match. But not all that. They look really good. I can't believe how good these pieces look. Now, I know you might be thinking, why would you do that? Why don't you just go buy new parts? Like, what's the point in that? And because these parts have been around for almost 50 years and they still look this good when you clean them up. So, I mean, I don't want to throw them away, like the actuators here and stuff. That still works. That's fine. There's no need to throw those away and get a new set. They're great. They might need some new rubber boots, but that's probably it. Where are we at? I've still got a few things I need to sandblast, but a majority of the stuff is already painted. I wish I had a way to coat the, what are they? The bolts and the washers and the nuts and stuff, but I don't have an electrolysis tank yet. That would be sweet to have, so. But yeah, I'm trying to get these springs off of here. You can see them right up inside, but they are rusted in and will not move. So, that's how to do it. Now I gotta be very careful because I don't want to nick anything else, but there we go. Just like I said, I don't want to nick anything else. Dude, those had so much tension on them. And I'm gonna catch myself on fire. Dang, dude, that thing snapped off. That was wild. All right, number 2. Still shooting myself. I don't want that. There we go. 2 out of 2. Not to worry, the new kit comes with all new springs and all new bolts, all new screws and stuff, so it'll be fine. I'm gonna burn myself if I try to grab these, so. Figure out how that goes in. Oh, a couple of screws, be right back. All right. There we go. There's one out. Now, these are very rusted. You can hear it. We'll get that new bolt. That bolt will be replaced. As well as that one. No, because this is what I wanted to get off. Because we'll replace those, but these, that's all chipped off, rusting off, so. Oh gosh, dude, look at the inside of that. Dang. Oh well, my sandblaster will make quick work of that, and then we'll respray it black, and it'll all be good. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one taken off. And I'll try to polish these up. Maybe I'll just buy some metal polish and we'll get these looking good as well. I'm only gonna take apart one set. I'll leave the other one all put together because I need to know how to put this back together. There we go. Number 2 is done. We'll sandblast that, repaint it. Dude, these headlights are on their way to looking nice. Let's get the rest of this taken off as well. These also, these little plastic pieces. Those are also in the kit, so that's awesome. Nope, not there. Nice, I just cut myself. I don't know how those come out. There's probably a specific way to do that. Oh, there's screws inside. Well, I'm a genius. No wonder they weren't coming out. Oh, are you kidding me? I should have looked inside. Wait, but how is I supposed to get a spring in there anyway? Oh well. All right. These will come off as well. Those are also in the kit. So we are left with that. Pretty neat. This has been awesome, tearing all this stuff apart and figuring out what's inside and how it works. All right, come here. Go like this. We've got the plastic cover. It goes on the outside. A couple of support brackets. Those are going to get resprayed, as I said. That's the housing. All those bolts right there and those plastic bits will be replaced. Sandblast this as well as the bolts. We'll get new lights. Well, they should still work, but actuators are good. And then we'll get some metal polish for these and paint all this stuff as well. And then the headlights will be all ready to go back together. Now I know it's not a crazy long video, but it's just a little update for what I've been doing over over the past week or so. And yeah, we'll get it all done. When the new parts come in, I'll probably shoot a video of me putting everything back together, and should look good. I'm happy to get these done as well. And then we get to figure out the vacuum system in this car, because that's another great part of a C3 Corvette. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Feel free to follow along, and bye.